It cannot be the case that the state is run by the same interests that the state exists to regulate. It simply
can't be umpire and player, in other words.
It can't be both. Well, it can't be. The umpire cannot be owned by one of the teams.
Yeah.
That is simply a very basic principle, and that is the principle that we are massively violating. So one has to have a state structure which has as its purpose and its authority let's say, something that we'll call a higher public purpose. And if you don't have that, it's not that that business will run free, it's that business will collapse. And again, the financial debacle is a clear example of this. There was a systematic process, and the trio of Bill Black phenomena, deregulation, desupervision, and decriminalization of financial activity meant that you got the takeover of the system by some of its worst, most aggressive, most predatory players. When the unsustainability of that became clear, basically in August of 2007, everybody in the system started to crumble. Nothing could stop it. And what we've learned in the 6 years since is that it doesn't recover. And you have a major impairment of core institutions. You have to restructure them in a very serious way and reestablish norms of behavior. And if you haven't done either of those things, and we clearly haven't, then you can't expect those institutions to go back and function as they did 30 or 40 years ago. It's not going to happen.